Welcome back to Car Wow 787, where we bring you the latest rides, the hottest tech, and honest reviews that help you ride smarter. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon so you never miss a video. Today, we're diving into something truly iconic, the 2026 Honda Gold Wing GL1800. It's not just a motorcycle, it's a legend on two wheels. And with the 2026 update, Honda has refined this beast into something even more luxurious, more powerful, and more connected than ever before. From the outside, the 2026 Gold Wing GL1800 still keeps its massive, commanding presence, but with a few key changes. The front fairing has been slightly reshaped for better aerodynamics, and the LED lighting system has been upgraded, giving it a sharper, more modern look, especially at night. You've also got new color options like Midnight Titanium and Crimson Pearl that really make this machine pop on the road. Under the hood, or should we say under the tank, you'll still find Honda's legendary 1.833cc flat-six engine, but with updated tuning for smoother torque delivery and slightly better fuel efficiency. It's powerful, buttery smooth, and sounds like nothing else on the road. Plus, the DCT, that's Honda's dual-clutch transmission, is more responsive than ever, with smarter gear changes whether you're cruising on the highway or crawling through traffic. Now let's talk comfort, because this bike is built for the long haul. The 2026 model includes revised seat cushioning, a redesigned backrest for the passenger, and improved airflow from the fairing, which makes those long-distance rides even more enjoyable. Oh, and the heated grips and seats, still there, still perfect for chilly rides. One of the biggest upgrades this year is in the tech department. The new Gold Wing gets a larger, ultra-sharp 10.5-inch touchscreen display with faster response times, updated navigation, and now full wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto support. The sound system has also been bumped up, better speakers, deeper bass, and crisper audio even at highway speeds. Safety-wise, Honda's got you covered. You've got adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, a tire pressure monitoring system, and upgraded ABS with cornering function. And yes, the reverse gear and walking mode are still here, a lifesaver when maneuvering this heavyweight beauty in tight spaces. Storage has also improved, with larger saddlebags and a top trunk that can now fit two full-size helmets with room to spare. So who is this bike for? If you're someone who loves cross-country touring, rides with a passenger often, or just wants the most comfortable and high-tech motorcycle out there, the 2026 Gold Wing GL1800 is still the king of the road. Pricing starts around $25,000 for the base model and goes up depending on trim and accessories. Not cheap, but for what you get, it's hard to beat. And that's a wrap on our look at the 2026 Honda Gold Wing GL1800. What do you think? Still the ultimate touring bike, or is it time for a new king? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more in-depth reviews, and share it with your fellow riders. Until next time, keep the rubber side down, and ride safe. This is your channel name, signing off.